Hello there! Today we are going to make a human body. Well, this sounds very interesting. Let's see what do we have in our book. Well, we see two human figures right here. Let's see what are the instructions right here and then start making the figures. We have two female figures here. One is a lady and one is a girl kid. So, let's start by making the box first and then make the body inside. At first, we are going to start by making the bigger box. We need to make a proportionate body wherein the head is proportionate to the entire body. Let's start by making smaller compartments. Well, yes, these boxes or these tiny rectangles inside this big box is going to help us make the entire proportion nicely. Once we are done with that, let's make a very light center line. This is just for your reference. Now, let's start by making the face, wherein we are going to make a U-like structure. After that, we will make the forehead. And then we will start by making the hair. If you notice, the hair is coming only till the third line. Yes, actually it is the fourth line and the third box. The shoulder is in the third box as well. And after that, let's start by making the neck. And then we will start by making the dress of the lady. And now let's extend her hands. If you notice, the hands almost come till the knee or your thighs. Yes, just above the knee. So let's make it that way. And then complete by making a curved figure wherein the hips are a little bigger than the tummy. Once we are done making the dress, we are going to make the legs and come till the second last box. And after that, start by making the feet in the last box. Make sure the first toe is bigger than all the others. Now let's make the features nicely and then the ears. And after that, the nose and the lips. This looks interesting. Let's move forward to the girl child. Well, the girl child's body is going to be comparatively smaller. And as mentioned here, the height of the body is 5 times as the length of the face. Let's start by making these boxes and then the entire figure. Yes, we will start with the forehead, hair and then the face. This looks very interesting. Let's go ahead by making the bow and then her ponytail. Slowly and nicely make her features. Be very careful while making it and make sure that you use a sharpened pencil for the same. Take the guidance of the boxes and make all the other body parts. For example, her torso is only till the 4th box. Hence, we are going to make it in a similar way. And then the hand comes till the 6th box. You're right. After that, let's make her skirt. This looks interesting. Complete making the feet nicely. This looks interesting. We will make the kneecap like this and then beautifully decorate her dress with polka dots. Once we are done with this, it's time for us to paint it. Let's take our pink color and start painting the dress. Well, if you remember, we had spoken about the amount of water we need to take in this paint. Hence, if we take 1 drop of paint, we will take 2 drops of water and mix it together. Let's start by painting this. Just in case if you do not have a ready-made pink, not to worry. You can take your red color and add some white to it. That is going to give you a shade of pink. Let's do the ribbon with the same color. That's brilliant. Now this shade looks a little different. Hence, we will mix blue and green together in order to achieve this shade. Let's put some water in it and then start painting. Well, we achieved a closer look. If you have made a different shade because of the colors you had, not to worry, you can paint it with that. Go ahead and paint in one direction after doing the outline. This looks interesting. Let's take skin color and then start painting the body parts. Yes, the body parts which are not covered with clothes. Let's paint the face nicely. And make sure that you take a very thin brush for this one, as we are doing very small parts which are in detail. Continue painting the leg nicely. Well, we forgot to make the kneecap. Let's make it and then paint it nicely with skin color. Again, we will be going ahead with doing the outline first and then painting inside only in one direction. This looks interesting. And now we will take some brown color and do it for the hair. Again, for this section, we will use a 0 number brush. Complete painting this and then add some dark green to the brown. Yes, for the hair color for a young lady. And after that, start painting this slowly and nicely. This looks very interesting. Once we are done with this, we will let it dry. And once it's dried up, we are going to take our black sketch pen and start sketching this. Let's start by sketching the hair. It is completely alright if you do not sketch the box. The main part or the important part in this drawing are the human figures. Hence, let's only sketch that. Oh wait, we forgot to make this beautiful border line with dark pink. So, let's take our pink sketch pen and start doing it. And after that, continue making your outline with black color. This looks amazing. Go very slow while sketching and complete the entire drawing in a similar way. This looks very interesting. After that, let's take a very thin sketch pen or a micro tip pen and start doing the features. Be very careful while doing it. This looks very interesting. Let's use a pink sketch pen for the lips. And look at that, we are done with both the figures.